What is up everyone, welcome back to Archetype Origins. Today I'm excited to share a complete workspace upgrade with the new Hexcal Studio workstation. If you watched one of our previous video about our top 5 desk accessories, you probably noticed that I am a big fan of desk monitor riser. Not only it adds an extra layer to your workspace, giving you more storage options if you needed to put anything under it, you also add an extra touch to your overall aesthetic. Hexcal reached out to us recently and asked if we want to do a review on their monitor riser, so they recently sent us their Hexcal Studio, and I'll be replacing my old monitor riser with this one. And for my first impression, Hexcal has really delivered on quality and functionality here. Let's dive into the unboxing and then we'll set it up and see how this thing stacks up. Now before getting into all those bells and whistles with the features of the Hexcal Studio, I just want to put the price of this thing up front before we get into anything. So the Hexcal Studio comes in a hefty pricing of $899, which is a very steep price for a lot of people. But keep watching to find out if this is the right option for you. Alright, let's start with unboxing of the Hexcal Studio. Right off the bat, I can tell you the unboxing experience is top notch. Everything is packed with care, giving it that premium feel that's always satisfying and exciting. From the moment you open it, you can see the attention to detail in the materials. The height adjustable feet are also stored in separate boxes, adding to the thoughtful design, but we'll dive into that in just a minute. It's time to clear off the desk, starting by removing any accessories in the way, one by one, until we're down to the last piece, the monitor riser. Once that's out, we'll have a clean slate ready for this upgrade. Now, here's what set the Hexcal Studio apart. This isn't just a monitor riser. It's a full-on workstation designed to help you stay focused and organized. The Hexcal Studio comes with a clever height adjustable feature. Thanks to the additional feet hidden in a compartment on each side, this allows you to raise the monitor riser to your preferred height. Hexcal also sent over extra extension feet, adding even more customization option to fit any workspace. With a total of 4 different height combinations, it's easy to tailor the setup to exactly what you need, making this one of the most flexible and personalized risers I have ever seen. The Hexcal Studio is a true one-stop power solution. It's built with a professional-grade power system supporting AC, DC, and even wireless charging, all in one place. You can effortlessly plug in and power up to 14 devices at once, making it the ultimate hub for any setup. And with Hexcal Studio's cable management system, everything stays tucked away neatly. It keeps things minimal and organized, which is a big plus for a cleaner workspace. For me personally, I already have a power strip mounted under my desk, so I will be utilizing the cable management space as a small storage area for some of my accessories. If you have an external USB hub for your PC or laptop, the Hexcal Studio takes it a step further with its internal data bridging feature. This lets you access devices inside the Hexcal chamber directly from the outside, making it super convenient for quick, streamlined connections. The lighting on the Hexcal Studio adds a subtle ambient glow to the setup, creating a focused yet comfortable vibe. Perfect for a workspace I use daily. With over 1,000 lighting configurations, you can adjust it to fit any mood or scenario, tailoring the setup exactly to your preference. Overall, the build quality is impressive. This thing feels solid and well made, so I know it's a long-term addition to the desk.
This video is sponsored to you by our friends from Height.
Thank you.
Just like my drink right here. Height's Y70 case now comes in strawberry milk. Ooh, so pretty. The soft and creamy colors soak the Height Y70 in a sweet and delicious fresh style. Its vibrant shade is gonna stand out in any setup. Plus, the tempered side glass shows off every piece of your stylish build. And it's not just about the looks. The Height Y70's interior has ample room for a high-end build with top-tier components. It also boasts tools for good cable management and improved airflow to keep your PC cool. This case is very special. By default, the side panel is a glass panel, but you can add an additional screen onto it, and The screens also come in strawberry milk, so if you want your screen to match your case perfectly, there's an option for that. Again, special shout out to Hype for sponsoring this section of the video. If you want to check out the Height Y70 in strawberry milk, click on the link in the description box below. If pink is not your style, there's other colors for you to check out as well. If you want to check out the strawberry milk that we did, check out the link in the description box below for that one too. Okay, back to the video.
Honestly, my overall impression is very positive. The Hexcal Studio really changes the whole desk experience, making it feel more organized and efficient when I'm working. It's functional, it's stylish, and it has all the extras I need to keep a productive workspace. Not to mention, it looks really cool on my desk. Brings the overall aesthetic of the entire desk setup to a whole new level. This is the type of monitorizer that I didn't know I needed until I actually get my hands on them. Now, other than the Hexcal Studio monitorizer itself, Hexcal also sent over a few accessories to complement it. Let's take a look together and see how this can add even more functionality to the entire setup. The Hexcal Desk Mat bundle comes with a large desk mat and an ergonomic wrist cushion designed for comfort and support. The wrist cushion is magnetic, so it stays securely in place on the mat as you work. Made from high-quality vegan leather, the mat is soft, waterproof, and durable, offering a premium feel. I previously used a felt desk mat, but after a year of using it, the felt became kind of fuzzy and often caught on my mouse, making it tough to glide. With the Hexcal leather mat, the surface feels much smoother and nicer to work on. Next, we have the Hexcal magnetic charging cable. It is a high-speed charging solution for any Type-C devices. Its magnetic design makes it easy to store without tangles, and the reversible USB-C connectors support both power delivery and data transfer, making it great for desk or travel. Nothing too crazy here, but it's honestly one of the highest quality charging and data cables I've ever owned. And finally, we have the Hexcal stainless steel cable organizer, a stylish and functional addition to the Hexcal desk mat system. This limited edition 2-piece model keeps a single cable neatly in place, adding both organization and a touch of elegance to your workspace. It's more than just a cable organizer, it's a finely crafted piece that elevates the overall look of your setup. You can use it to anchor any cable securely to your desk, so you never have to worry about them slipping out of reach. I'm using it to keep my keyboard's coil cable in place, and it sits perfectly neat on the desk. Plus, with its substantial weight, it holds everything steady without budging. The Hexcal Studio workstation combined with these accessories really ties the entire setup together. It feels cohesive, organized, and ready for anything, whether I'm working or gaming. So, if you're looking to boost your productivity and style in one go, I would definitely recommend the Hexcal Studio and these accessories. Links to all the Hexcal products and as well as all our setup accessories will be linked down in the description below. And if you want to check them out, be sure to use the link down below. If you found this review helpful, be sure to give a like and subscribe. And if you're interested in seeing how we set up this entire office space, be sure to click here. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
What is up, YouTube?
Hate that.
What's up, everyone? What's up, setup heads?